Syria sees a bumper harvest of olives this year, enabling its olive oil producers to increase production, according to the head of the olive office at Syria's agriculture ministry. Olive oil production in Syria is expected to reach 125,000 tons this year, although it is much less than the pre-war's 198,000 tons. For many, it is good enough.
المتوقع ينتج عنا حوالي 125 ألف طن زيت زيتون. هي الكميات من الزيت كافية لتغطي حاجة الاستهلاك المحلي، وأيضا ممكن أنه يكون في عنا جزء لتصديري جيد ممكن أنه ندخل فيه للأسواق العالمية.
Johar said that before the 11-year war, Syrian olive oil had reached many countries in the world. But sanctions imposed by the United States and its Western allies during the crisis have affected exports of almost all Syrian products, and olive oil is no exception. Though farmers returned to their groves after the war was over, fixing their farmland is not easy, as the cost of living is soaring.
نحن هجرنا من هون من المسلحين ومن هي كانت تعبانة بشكل. نحن امنا جينا السنة اعتنينا فيه ودرنا بالنا عليه كتير بشكل لا يوصف. الصعوبات المازوت والفلاحة غالية والأول والتالي والأسمدة عم نعاني منها كتير.